Nobody likes cleaning, but these gadgets make it a whole lot easier. And trust me, you'll want to see what's waiting at number 3. Cleaning windows can be frustrating, especially when both sides need attention. This magnetic window cleaner helps clean both sides of the glass at the same time, saving time and effort. Its triangular shape reaches corners more easily, while the magnetic design keeps the cleaning pads aligned during use. A practical tool for cleaner windows with less hassle. Blocked drains always seem to happen at the worst time. This high-pressure drain unblocker uses a powerful burst of air to help clear common clogs in sinks, toilets, bathtubs, and floor drains without harsh chemicals. Simply position it over the blockage, build pressure, and release to help push debris through the pipe. Reusable and easy to operate, it offers a cleaner alternative to traditional plungers and makes everyday drain maintenance quicker and more convenient. This long-handled toilet brush uses disposable cleaning pads to help remove dirt and stains while reducing contact with germs. Simply attach a fresh pad, clean the surface, and discard it when finished. The ergonomic handle improves reach, while the disposable design makes bathroom cleaning quicker, cleaner, and more convenient. This electric scrub brush helps clean floors, tiles, sinks, glass, and other surfaces with less effort. The rotating brush head makes cleaning faster and easier. With interchangeable brush heads and an extended handle, it helps reach corners and tight spaces with ease. Tired of dust building up in your keyboard, earbuds, and charging ports? This compact cleaning tool combines multiple brushes and precision tips to help remove dirt from hard-to-reach spaces. It's great for cleaning keyboards, earphones, charging ports, cameras, and other everyday devices without taking up much space. Portable, lightweight, and easy to use, it makes keeping your gadgets clean quicker and more convenient wherever you go.